Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the C++ function. So it is the one of the most important concept that we need to understand and use it in order to be a good programmer. And before going to start the video, make sure to subscribe my channel. So the question arises that what is the function? So function is uh, So a function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Functions are used to perform specific tasks and they are important for reusing the code. Define the code once and use it many times. And it is grouped together, and usually the block of code is specific for a problem and perform a specific task. And every C++ program has at least one function. Function can reduce program length by creating the function. For example, if program begins too large or some lines that use several number of times, so for that program becomes so long and not easy to identify the errors, and to write same line again and again it also are time consuming. So to solve that problem and make easy to identify the errors and simple, we just create the function. If some task is given, if some task is repeating, so we create a function for that. With the function we just give the function name and call it whenever we want to use that in any place or any location. For example, and this is the line of several lines. So these are the lines of the code, or yeah, so these are the line of the code. Just we for understanding us, so we just say that a package. So that package we in this package we give the name function. So this is the in actual this is the function, which we create it, and we can use that function at any other places. And its syntax is just we have to write the function name and parameter list. This is a curly bracket start and curly bracket end, and here we have to write the statement or some code. So this is the syntax, or we can say it a function declaration or prototype, and this is the return type, so this is here we can write any data type, just like as int or float. And this is the function name, we can give here any name, just we have to give the function name. And these are the parameter list, and we can also call this the arguments. And here we have to write the start bracket, and in this brackets we have to write the code that we want to use in other places. And it's very difficult if, for example, we just copy and paste that code, so it will be if we want to change that code, so anywhere where we have copy paste, we have to change that code, each code at that time. So for that we create the function, and in that function we just make the change in the function. So in where we call the function, we don't have to change that code. So it's a benefit of the function, and in other videos we talk more about the function, but for this video we just have to understand about what is the in actual what is the function. And please make sure to subscribe my channel.